Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a guild on Discord. Note that this feature is currently an experiment and only available to a select number of servers. So the first step is to choose the game or games you and your guild play together. You can also change this later if you want to add more games or edit the current ones. Second is to select the playstyle of your guild. You can choose between the following: very casual, casual, hardcore, or very hardcore. Number 3 is optional. Choose the type of demographic you want to recruit to your guild. Depending on the type of guild you have, you can select ranks for a specific game, minimum ages, and more. Pick what best suits your guild. Number 4 is tell people what your guild talks about. Does everyone have a huge love of cheesecakes? Or does everyone listen to K-pop while gaming? And you select 3 traits for your guild. Number 5 is you can write the description for your guild. Focus on why someone should join and what your guild offers. You can also describe your guild in 3 words here too. You can be creative. Number 6 is to create a guild tag and badge that members will wear all over Discord to represent your guild. Your guild tag can be a max of 4 characters. However, it is not unique and multiple guilds can have the same tag. Once you select a badge, you can change the color to either one of the preset color schemes or use the color picker to customize. Number 7 is to customize your guild brand even further by selecting a banner color scheme or using the eyedropper tool to pick 2 colors. You can also select the banner style and pick between the following: night sky, castle, world map, seafoam, warp, house, pulsar, mesh, and spatter. Number 8 is set up an application for users interested in joining your guild. You can include questions like why do you want to join this guild, or what's your favorite dinosaur and why. You can choose to make the responses be a short paragraph or a long paragraph or multiple choice. You must have at least 1 question set up to proceed. Now you're done. Sign the charter and your guild is now created. Don't forget to don your guild tag. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.